Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete apps on your Samsung phone or tablet, even apps that you usually can't delete. So we'll go over all this good stuff, some different ways how to do this. We'll start off with the easiest way. And first of all, why would you want to delete apps? If you have too many apps, your phone gets cluttered, it's hard to find other apps. Your battery power might suffer from this. If you have too many apps running in the background, then your battery power might go down quicker, you might lose battery quicker, you lose resources of your phone runs slower if there's too many apps running at once. So overall, you don't want to have too many unnecessary apps that you don't use at all. So if you notice, okay, I haven't used this app in a month, 2 months, then you might want to start deleting some of those apps. So the first and easiest way to delete apps is just go onto your phone. So just get out your phone and then look for the app you want to delete. Now, once you found the app you want to delete, Amazon for example, tap on it very long. So tap on the app for a longer time, and then you'll see this screen pop up. Here you want to select remove. Once this pops up, you just select remove and then click OK, and the app will be removed. This is the easiest way. You just tap on it for a longer time, and then you'll be able to remove that app. Now you can do this through the settings as well. So there you can look through your apps easier. They're sorted in alphabetical order, so you can find them easier. So just hop on over to your settings. Then you want to look for apps and devices. So you just look for apps. It's pretty far down. Look for the app setting, go on there, and now you'll see all of your apps right here. So you just scroll down, let's say Amazon again, that's pretty far up. Click on that, and then right at the bottom, you'll see uninstall. You want to click uninstall right here, then click OK, and then the app will be deleted. And yeah, you have some other settings here as well. If you want to change the notifications, etc., you can do that here as well. The next way you can delete apps is through the Play Store. So just hop on over to the Play Store, look for that, then tap on your profile on the top. So just select the profile you're on the top right, and now you want to go on to Manage Apps and Device. Click on this again, then click on Manage Apps and Device. That's the first one up here. Now, once you're up there, go on to the Manage tab, and here you can see all of your apps. So you just scroll down, select the one you want to delete. So just click this checkbox, and now at the top right, you have this trash bin. Click on that, click on OK, and then you'll have that app deleted as well. So 3 really good methods that you can use to delete apps normally. Now there's some apps that are harder to delete. So like the messages or your phone app, you can't really delete, but you can disable them. So to do that, open your settings app again, go into the settings, then go into your apps again, and now find what you want to disable. So let's say the messages app, for example, and now you'll be able to hit disable right down here. And then that app will be disabled and you won't see it anymore. So yeah, that's the different methods to delete apps on your Samsung phone or tablet. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below if you have any more questions.